Science, I will say, don't waste our time. So science is nothing but science is a process. Science is a process. Science is a product. The science never ends. See, in the earlier days, the early man was just wandering in the forest. Just he used to eat only the raw flesh. But when he found the fire, he started thinking about in an innovative manner. That fire, with the fire, he cooked the food and he tasted something different. So on that day onwards, the technology was started. The beginning of the technology, the beginning of thinking in the mind in a different way started from that day onwards. So the science is started from the earlier days, from the rock age to rocket age. It has been continuing. It never ends. Science never ends because science is a process. A process, it never ends. See, from the beginning of the world till today, we are traveling from the rock age to rocket age. Did you understand what I said? We have been traveling from rock age to rocket age. Rock age means the early man was wandering in the forest. He used to hunt the animals with the rocks. That was the rock age. Now we are living in the rocket age. See, we are sending the rockets into the space. So that there were many inventions were invented into the world to become our life easy because of science. Just now sir said earlier there was only radio, but now we have radio, TV, television and computer and mobiles. Even in the coming days, there is a chip is coming to be inserted in our brain. Artificial knowledge, artificial chip is going to be inserted into our brain so that it will direct us everything. The total technology. Suppose if you want to know about anything in the world, if you do not know, we will go through the searching in Google Matter. If you do not know anything, where will you ask the mother of Google? Google tell Nadutara. So what is something? Whereas we are going to become like a Google in the future generation. So that much of technology is going to be developed because of science. So that science never ends. Science is a process. That is the process. Process means from the rock age to till today rocket age, the science is being continued. It never stops any day. Still there is scientists, still there is laboratories, still there is research is going on. Is there any time the science it has end? No, it never ends. Science never ends. భూమిలో మనుషులు ఉన్నంత కాలం, లైఫ్ ఉన్నంత కాలం సైన్స్ కి ఎండింగ్ లేదు. There is no end for the science. That is the speciality of science. That is the greatness of the science. So to know about the science or to study about the science, we are very much grateful and honored to us. So that we feel proud as a science student. I am also feeling very proud and honored to be a science teacher and biology teacher. Since from the 15 years, I have been teaching about the 15 years I taught about the 7th class science. Since 15 years, I have been teaching about the biology. So I am very much grateful to myself because I am going to be I was a biology teacher. Still it is going on my profession in the science and biology. So that science means, just you can remember, it is a process. It never ends in our life. So because of the science, our life is going to become easy every day. So that is a science is a process. Science is a product. Product means when there is a research is going on, the research will give us a product. Suppose in before the 2019 there is no vaccine for the corona, but now we have vaccine. So the science process is started. That process has given us a product that is vaccine. In the beginning of the corona disease, nobody had the vaccine, but that whenever that process was started, now it was and now it has given us to us a vaccine. So like that, many vaccines were invented, many medicines, antibiotics were invented, many technological things were invented into our world to become our life easy. So that science is a process, science is a product. So that is what about science. Science, and just you can remember, science is a process, science is a product. It is never ends. And science always tells about the truth. Science never believes the superstitions. Hello. Science never believed the superstition. Superstition means, do you know what is superstition? Moodanamakalu. Science never believed the superstitions. Science always tells about the truth. Science is an organized study of knowledge. Science explores how the world is going on. If I have to start to tell this, there is a lot of information about the science. So that science tells about how this world is going on, how this day is coming, how the night is coming, how the truth, what is the truth of the everything. Science tells about always about the truth. Why the leaves are green in color? That tells about the science, because chlorophyll is present. Now just now what Sir said, why water is blue in color? Because of Raman effect. The Sir CVRaman, Chandrasekhar Venkatraman. His full name is Chandrasekhar Venkatraman. He was the first person who got the Nobel Prize for the CVRaman effect, and he also got the Bharat Ratna award also. He was born in the 1988 in November 8th maybe. So he was born in the Tamil Nadu. He belongs to Tamil Nadu state. So he invented the Raman effect. So Raman effect means when a light is passed on a particular spectrum or a particular surface, that light is reflected. Generally light, it has the 7 colors of light. What is the light is, the wavelength of the light is in between 400 to 700 nanometer. This is our visible light. The visible light wavelength is in between 400 to 700 nanometers. In this there will be 7 colors of light. VIBGR, we call that VIBGR.